July 25, 2018. In Syria, at least 38 people are confirmed dead after suicide attackers caused explosions in the city of Sueda. In Laos, crews are trying to rescue more than 3,000 people after a dam collapse on Monday. At least 31 people were killed after an explosion at a voting station in the Pakistani city of Quetta. And the European Union has sent election observers to Zimbabwe for the first time in 16 years. The country is preparing for its first vote since independence without longtime leader Robert Mugabe.